Hi, I'm Frances, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to trim and crumb coat a cake for you. I have two 4-inch layers of chocolate cake, and first what I'm going to do is trim the top off of this one. And so to do this, you're going to place your hand on the cake, not on the side. You're going to put it on the top so you don't cut your hand while you're doing this. You're going to take your knife and keeping your hand level. You're going to turn the cake so you trim off enough to make it an even surface. You just place your scraps to the side. Then you're going to turn this over, do the same thing to the bottom of it, because this will actually be the top layer, and you want to get the kind of a hard top off of your cake before you ice it. Okay. And you can keep trimming as necessary to remove the cake that you need. Alright, now that this layer is even, I'm going to do the same thing with the top surface of my next layer. This layer will be the bottom of the cake once it's stacked. So I'm going to do the same thing, place my hand on the top, move my knife around as I turn the cake, make sure I get a nice level surface. And once your cake is evened out and trimmed, you can remove all the crumbs. And then you want to apply a crumb coat. And the reason you do this is to fill in any gaps that you might have in the cake, and also to trap in the crumbs that you get from trimming it. So what you're going to do, you're going to take some decorator's buttercream. You're going to put some of it on the bottom layer of your cake. You're just going to, this will serve as the filling also for this cake that I'm going to be stacking. And so you're just going to put a nice even layer. This will be the middle. Once you have that even and at the thickness that you would like it to be, you can go ahead and put your second layer on top. And then you're going to put some more icing on the top of this. And then you can start your crumb coating. So what you're going to do, you're just going to put a thin layer over the entire cake on the top and the sides to trap those crumbs in. So this one is pretty crumbly. I'm just going to make sure that you get it even. And with your crumb coat, you don't have to necessarily make it perfect, but the better your crumb coat is and the more smooth it is, the easier it will be to apply your final coat of icing once you're ready to do that. So you see I'm just applying a very thin layer. You want to still be able to see the cake through the crumb coat layer. Just make sure it's all covered so that all of those crumbs don't get in your way. Once you have your whole layer coated, and you're happy with your crumb coat, you can not drop your cake. You can set this aside either at room temperature, or you can put it in a refrigerator and let that crumb coat harden a little bit, and that will make it much easier for you to get a smooth final coat of your cake when you're ready to decorate. Thank you!